I'm gonna take this beach to the beach.
You know, it also makes great beachwear after you get done boarding. Speed QB shirts, free stuff.
Oh, easy waves. Good. I can teach you how to use this thing. This is the board I'm using. It's made by Legendary. It's blue on the front, pink on the back on the slick side, and it's pretty great. Thing was like 50 bucks on Amazon. Worked really well. If it was warmer, it'd work even better. Bro, I haven't boarded in like a decade. Used to do it a lot when I was a teenager. So I decided to just pick up a board, grab my girlfriend, go to Surfers Beach, and here we are. Alright, so it's super cold, and I didn't bring a wetsuit. I just brought like jiu-jitsu spats and a rash guard like an idiot. So I'm definitely buying a wetsuit. Definitely gonna buy a wetsuit, and it's cold, and my penis is freezing. I don't know if I have to pee, or if my dick cold. So the plan is, we're gonna go for a walk, wait for my penis to thaw out, and then we're gonna go get lunch. And then we're gonna see if I have a dixicle or not. It's gonna be fun. I get a lot of people that ask me, like, why are you so happy all the time? You're always so upbeat and so positive and, you know, this, that, and the other. I didn't think I was gonna live this long. I didn't think, when I was in my 20s, I didn't think I was gonna live to see 30. For some reason, I had it in my head, this was when I was in my mid-20s, that I was gonna get one more deployment in, I was gonna go to Afghanistan, and that was gonna be it for me. That was it. I don't know why I had that in my head. For years, so I only went to Iraq twice, and I was always trying to jump on an Afghan trip, but they just really weren't there, and they weren't taking anyone from my unit. So, I never got to go to Afghan, but for some reason I really wanted to go to Afghanistan, but at the same time, I thought I would die if I would go. But I was still like, I ain't no bitch, let's go to Afghanistan. That's probably nothing. So I don't know why I had that in my head, but yeah, I never planned to live this long, that's why I'm so happy. Kind of the other part of that is, I've lost just about one friend every year that I used to work with, either as a cop or in the Army. This year we lost from cancer. I went to Cuba with him. He might have been in his mid-20s when he passed, but he was one of the sweetest kids you'd ever met. And we lost him this year. We lost Green last year. I lost Captain Ziegler, who was one of my watch captains. Cancer took him. We had a guy who took his own life. We had another guy years ago, they found him dead in, this was Peterson, found him dead in the Walmart bathroom stall with a needle stuck in his arm. Susie, maybe 8 or 10 years ago, they found him OD'd on booze and pills. Colonel Derby got killed by a suicide bomber. So I'm happy all the time because I'm alive. Because I'm at a point in my life where even as the manager of a business, I can pack everything up, throw the board in the car, grab my girlfriend, and we could just come to the beach. We could come to Surfers Beach. So that's why I'm always so happy all the time, and that's why I think I have one of the strongest work ethics in the game. That's why the field's always changing, because I refuse to live a life, again, of monotony. I refuse to do that. So we're always changing the field. I'm always looking for new business ventures, and I'm the best. That sort of concludes this short little mini vlog day trip. My penis still froze, so that's, I mean, it's thawing out. It's frozen though. I'm gonna get me a wetsuit, and we're gonna go get lunch somewhere. Me and my girlfriend. Oh no. Maybe he doesn't have a girlfriend, or maybe, I don't know, maybe she just went to go do something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go get food. I like food. Kevin likes food. I like food. I'm more famous than Kevin. Bye.
Super good. It gives me so much energy.
I guess I'll just get that.
What is this? How much caffeine? 278 milligrams of caffeine. That's a lot.
Caber, who the f*** are you, nerd?